Well, good morning, viewers. Today we have a 2010 Jeep Compass. It's a little dirty, but that's where we live in the bush. And it's here for the annual tire changeover. I just put the summer tires on, and I'm just doing a little look around here. And that doesn't look too promising. The subframe is broken, rusted out right there and there. I was wondering why the tires were wearing unevenly the winters that were on there. Now, I think there was some kind of a policy adjustment or a recall on the subframe for these things. This flashlight here is flashing on the camera. Wow. Well, we'll have a look and see if there's any kind of warranty, but I doubt it. If this thing is not under any kind of warranty, it's pretty much a write-off in my opinion. Well, I might have said this was a Compass, but it's actually a Patriot, but regardless, similar. So vehicles built and sold in the Canadian market in the Salt Belt states, including Connecticut, Delaware, Illinois, and in Indiana, Iowa, Maine, Maryland, and so on. What's the time allocation? Perforation, rust through. Bulletin applies to vehicles within the following markets. Before January 24th, 12. Thought it said 10 years. Yes. Return the vehicle to the customer. Customer return for yearly inspection until the vehicle reaches 10 years of age. So I'm taking that as meaning the vehicle's over 10 years, which this is. This is a 2010, I believe. So it makes it about 13, 14 years old. I'm curious what the factory labor time is to change that subframe. Front and rear is applicable. Inspect front and rear suspension cross members and replace rear suspension cross member, 3.2 hours. Really? Yeah, right. And both front and rear for 4.9 hours? Wow. Well, I'll give the customer the great news.